Hello, in this video I want to show you how to locate and manage sound settings on Motorola Edge 40 Pro. To do this, you will need to open a settings. Here locate the sound and vibrations. Now you can adjust any volume for a specific feature like media volume, call volume, ring volume, notification volume, or alarms volume. You can enable or disable Dolby Atmos, spatial or spatial sound, enable or disable Do Not Disturb, Crystal Talk AI, multi-volume, phone ringtone for SIM number 1, phone ringtone for SIM number 2, live captions, media, you can control them right here or adjust the settings for it. Vibrations and haptics, you can turn them on and off and adjust the specific options as well. The default notification sound, default alarm sound, dial pad tones, screen locking sounds, charging sounds and vibrations, touch sounds, always show icon when in vibrate mode, power on sounds and power off sound. That will be only power on sounds, there's no sound for power off. You can flip your phone for D&D, pick up to silence, and media controls. That's the gestures. If you're interested in gestures on this device, you can check our tutorial for it as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.